Welcome everybody. Welcome to Life at Reply Day 2024.
I see hate through the pain, I see light in the rain. Dreams of brighter days, tell me what you're thinking. I have hope in my spirit, flames of love in my heart. Baby, let me tell you something, I'm about to dance.
Life at Reply Day is here to remind you how big, how unique, how multi-talented, how so many different skill sets are just present right here.
To be the best version of me. Mama knows how to wake you up to dance. Mama knows you're not a mama knows how to wake you up to dance. Mama knows how to wake up to dance. Mama knows you're not a mama knows how to wake you up to dance. Now I'm rolling down the river, unstoppable today. Sticks and stones may break my bones. Time to erase all the memories of misery and pain. I'm no longer the one you knew. You realized you're not in control. Once again, tell you once again. Hallelujah, I'm on my way to be the best version of me. Mama knows how to wake you up to dance. Mama knows you're not a mama knows how to wake you up to dance. Mama knows how to wake up to dance. Mama knows you're not a mama knows how to wake you up to dance. Mama knows how to wake you up. Mama knows how to wake you up. Mama knows how to wake you up to dance. Mama knows you're not a mama knows how to wake you up to dance.
Stay happy, stay curious, and have a great Life at Reply Day, everybody. See you soon.